Changing your profile picture on Instacart is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Profile Settings. In the account menu, look for the option labeled Profile or Profile Settings. Click on it to access your profile information. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. Find the option to change your profile picture. This may be represented by a camera icon or an edit button next to your current picture. Tap on it to upload a new image. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm your new image is set. Now you have successfully updated your profile picture on Instacart. Enjoy your refreshed look.